Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the INV inverse power flow instruction in INVT PLC. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software, and here we will find in the instruction tree that's the INV power flow block inverse. What's the meaning of this INV and how we can use and why we use in the program? Sometimes you need an output to turn on when a complex set of conditions not met. With this normally closed contact can become highly confusing. But simply when you write the logic normal or positive condition and place an INV command at the end before the output. How can practically we write in the ladder? Let's start. First of all, I will take one open contact. An example, my first input of the PLC X0. And next we will use this inverse command. Here also you can take, or otherwise you can go to the instruction tree and here you can drop and drag this command. It's very simple and easy method. And next you will take the output. For an example, first output we will be take of the PLC Y0, and this program we will be writing to the PLC. Here you can click it on the download, but our power is now off, so we have to be again check our PLC and click into the download. Click yes and click it on the download. Now this program is ready, downloaded, and go to the monitor and cancel this one. And now you can see now Y0 is on. In normal conditions Y0 is off. One more line we will be write here for better understanding. This is I will make X1, and next we will make output Y1, and again we will be download into the PLC. Here also we can download. Click yes and download. Click again yes and cancel this one and make it monitor and cancel. Now you can see this Y0 is on, but same condition, this is X1 is, and this Y1 is off. Why is off? Because of here we not use this inverse command. Inverse command already I explained. This is the means when you press this one, after this will be on, and when you press release this one, after this will be off. You can see I will press the X0 first, and you can see this Y0 is off, and when I release the button X0, you can see Y0 is on. Same I X1 press, after you can see Y1 is on, and as I release the button X1, you can see Y1 is off. So this is the basic difference of this normal and this with the inverse. So hope guys you will be understand about this inverse logic command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.